Did you know 75% of the world's MUPs are electric? They are equipped with batteries, living chemical beings which require special care. There are three main issues that affect the performance and lifespan of a battery: poor charging habits, bad storage conditions, and lack of water filling. Considering that batteries represent the first maintenance cost item, it was time to find a solution to maintain them easily. Haulotte Activ'Energy Management is an exclusive innovation designed to take care of your batteries. The smart charger monitors all of the charging parameters and adapts the charging curve according to the battery manufacturer's specifications. It integrates many specific embedded programs to improve your battery's lifespan. A long charging cycle removes the sulfates accumulated on the battery plates and returns them to the electrolyte. An additional charging phase ensures that all battery cells are fully charged. A longer recovery cycle energizes a deeply discharged battery. When using an unstable power supply, the circuit breaker may trip. As soon as the power supply is stabilized, the charger will automatically reboot and complete the charging cycle. Periodically, the battery needs to complete a full charging cycle. When needed, the active screen reminds users of best practices. The Active Energy Management System can be fitted with a centralized watering system to refill all batteries at once. The water level sensor detects when a water refill is needed and alerts the operator. To eliminate watering maintenance, refilling can be automated for optimal battery health. With Haulotte Activ'Energy Management, extend the performance and lifetime of your batteries while reducing your maintenance costs and labor.